Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Chromecast with Google TV remote pairing. Ensure your TV is turned on and set to the correct HDMI input for your Chromecast. Connect your Google Chromecast device to the HDMI port on your TV. Plug the included power adapter into the Chromecast and connect it to a power outlet. Wait for your TV to display the Chromecast welcome screen. If you haven't done so already, download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Google Home app. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the menu options. Choose New Devices to locate your Chromecast. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you will see a code on both your TV and device. Confirm that the codes match to complete the setup process. Now, you can pair your Google TV remote. Take your Google TV remote and press the Home button. Make sure the remote has batteries installed correctly. Hold down the Home button for about 5 seconds to start the pairing process. Wait for a notification on the TV screen indicating the remote is paired successfully. If it doesn't pair, make sure the remote is close to the Chromecast. You can now use the remote to navigate the Google TV interface. Explore your favorite apps and streaming services right from your new setup. Enjoy streaming your favorite content with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.